It's cold and he has his feathers fluffed up on his chest. You see that? You start to see the red on the back of his head there. You know, I got to reposition that feeder so I can see the back of his head. But that is a Downy Woodpecker, I believe. I have to look it up in the bird book. There's two woodpeckers that look very similar, but I think that's the Downy. God, it's great to get in there to my feeder. I haven't seen him since last spring. You know, put the food out in the spring before the natural food supply has blossomed out and grown and come to seed or whatever, and you get them. And then after, you know, later on in the season, when there's plenty of seeds around everywhere for them, they don't come to your bird feeders anymore. So this is the first time I've seen this guy, or a Downy with a red spot on the back of the head. First time I've seen one of them since last spring. But today is January, so it was spring of 2023. This is January 2024. But it's really cool. He's a really cool looking bird. Really enjoy seeing him on my feeder.